Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to share a comprehensive guide on how to screenshot on a Mac computer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to capture anything you want using some incredibly flexible shortcuts. Before we dive in, go ahead and press Command-Shift-5. Right now, you'll see a toolbar appear at the bottom of your screen. On the left, you have tools to take a screenshot, and on the right, tools to record your screen video, plus an Options button for your settings. Take a look at the Save To section. Whichever folder is selected here is where your screenshots will be saved automatically. The timer is for setting a countdown before capturing. For capture format, you can choose HDR or SDR, but usually most people just stick with SDR. Those are the basics. Now, let's close this toolbar and get hands-on with the keyboard shortcuts. First off, to take a screenshot on macOS, we're going to use a combination of holding down Shift and Command. Then, you'll pair that with the number 3 or 4 and use Space or Control for different actions. Let's start by pressing Shift-Command-3. This shortcut instantly takes a full screen shot. And if you're using multiple monitors, you'll see two images appear on your desktop, one for the first screen and one for the second. Now, try pressing Shift-Command-4. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair coordinate tool. You can click and hold, then drag to select a specific area on the screen. Release the mouse, and a precise screenshot of that area is saved. Next up, let's combine this with the spacebar. Press Shift-Command-4, release the keys, and then press Space. Now, your cursor transforms into a camera icon. You can capture the entire screen or just a specific window of an app. For example, if you hover over a widget, it highlights just that widget. Or if you hover over the dock, it captures just the dock. This shortcut is super helpful for capturing tiny icons or isolated windows cleanly. So you've got Shift-Command-3 for the whole screen and Shift-Command-4 for freehand selection or combined with Space for specific elements. Now let's move on to some cool bonus features. First, whenever you take a screenshot, a thumbnail pops up in the bottom right corner. You can just swipe it to the right with your mouse or trackpad to save it instantly. No waiting required. If you want to edit the image right away, double-click that thumbnail. It opens up the markup tool. Here you can circle objects, type some text, add a signature, or drop in some arrows. Then, right-click and choose Copy to save it to your clipboard. Or click this little icon to send it to your phone or use AirDrop. Lots of options there. Now, here is a power user trick using the Control key. If you don't need to edit or save the file, but just want to paste it somewhere immediately, add the Control key. For instance, I'll press Shift-Command-Control-4 and take a shot. The image won't be saved to your desktop. Instead, it goes straight to your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere you're typing by pressing Command-V. If you forget to use Control, just quickly right-click the floating thumbnail after capturing and select Save to Clipboard. And that's it! In this video, I've shared just how powerful and flexible the screenshot features are on your MacBook. With these tips, you can capture exactly what you need without relying on any third-party apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.